Okay, in this case, there are several different styles of this expression, right? And there are some slight different orders to attack, okay, those expressions. So don't accept what I'm saying here is the golden rule that you can apply whenever you see these types of expression. Okay? But most likely, what was the goal of simplification? Make it one term. And technically, this one, we can say it's a one term because it's just something over something, right? So it's just division, then it's just one term. But at this moment, the numerator looks like it's two terms, right? So in this case, one way you can do that is a over c plus b over c, right? So sometimes this method gives you a faster way to solve it, okay, to simplify. So in just some cases, we have to apply that. But what was our goal for simplification? Let's just start with one method, right? Then just make it one term. So if you already have one term, then why you want to change to two terms, right? So this could be a method, but let me just suggest something. What was the other the method? It's a factorization to find cancellation, right? So instead of separating, how about try to find common factor from that two terms in the numerator? Okay? So in the scratch papers, whenever you feel like it's too complicated, kind of think one by one, just numerator only. Then what is the common factor here? And once again, for simplification, just look at similar ones, the same ones, numbers and x's, y's a lot. Okay? Don't think all together. So 16 and 8, what is the common factor? It's 8, right? Then from x, one has x cubed, the other one has x squared. The common factor is x squared, right? You can find x squared from x cubed. From y, we have y and y cubed. So common factor means smallest power, right? So it's y to the 1, so y. So just imagine you factor out 8x cubed y from first term. Then what is remaining? Number 2, right? And 1x and all y, right? So that's the remaining parts there. If you multiply it again, you will get this one again. Then from second one, you just imagine factor out the same factor like that. Then what is remaining? 8, we use everything. X squared, we also use everything. So only from y cubed, we use one of them, so it becomes y squared from there. So that's how we can find the common factor. So if you factor out that, the remaining portion from that two terms will be, looks like 2x plus y squared. So this is really nice factorization of numerator. Okay, we finish the numerator part. So let's rewrite the entire expression in then if you compare with the previous given expression and this one, the big difference is in the previous case, the numerator comes with two terms, right? So it's very dangerous to kind of make a cancellation there. But in the second term, everything looks like multiplication or division, right? So you can find, or you can cancel any common factors from everywhere, okay? So 4 cancel out with 8, x squared, y, and y, okay? So the survived one is 2 times 2x plus y squared, and there's nothing remaining, which means what? Times 1, right? So you have 1, you don't need to write that. So that is simplification of it. There is no golden rule to write simplification, so sometimes you can find just this among the choices, okay? If it's a multiple choice question. So either way. Okay?